Hello everyone, guys. In this video I will show you how you can disable spare change to Point converting on Revolut. So guys, to do this option, all you have to do, open your Revolut account, log in your account from here. If you have a mobile, go to the mobile and log in your account. After that, guys, what you have to do, go to Point from here. This is Point. And after that, guys, you scroll down, you find till you find spare change, this option 50 point on one spare. And after that, guys, click this spare change. And after that, from here, you just click, you can change the variety of spend from here, and to disable, just click this active option from here. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like and share this video for more content, and see you on other videos. Just log in your account and go to Point, and from here scroll down, you find a spare change and click disactivate. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on other videos soon.